Hi everyone, I'm Jane. Today the experiment what I'm going to do is water rainbow. The water rainbow materials we need to use is kitchen tissue, a spoon for mixing, 3 colors of coloring is blue, yellow, and red. Water, some water, 1 bottle for holding milk, then it's for pouring off then. And 5 small cups. First, the experiment we are going to need, of course, we must need the 3 colors. Now we have to read the label: red, yellow, and blue. We need to first step, pour the water to all of the cups carefully. Half of it is enough. 1, 2, 3. After we pour the water, we need to put color red. Look at this label, RED for red. We need about 2 drops. 1, 2, 2 drops. Next, we have to do yellow, YELLOW. 2, 3 drops. For yellow, now next is blue. If the cup is big, we need 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after we do have to stir the colors. The red one is the red one is done. Now we stir the yellow one. Then at last we stir blue. Now, after we have to roll the kitchen tissue together. This one, like put it like this, or overrise. Nice. So the color can be. Because do you know what color is yellow mixed with red? You should know. Orange. So that's why it's formed other colors also when it's mixed together. Blue mixes red equals purple. Now all we have to do is to wait about for an hour or 30 minutes. Now after you can see the color red, orange, yellow, green, blue. The purple isn't formed yet. Now, then, why the water goes up from other color. It's because the water can climb up the tissue and go down there in the inner cup and go down. But red mixed with yellow is orange. Yellow mixed with blue is green. And blue mixed with red is purple. And you can stir it also. Try if it works. It's light purple or something, or dark purple. No, it's dark purple. White. That's all. Thanks for watching the show.